Okay guys, I grabbed this poster board from the dollar store and did my best in drawing a bunny rabbit. And I cut this pattern out. And Jamie used some thin board and traced the rabbit, and using her jigsaw, she cut the pattern out. Now guys, I know a lot of you aren't going to want to do this, but maybe you can find somebody who will cut it out for you. But I do encourage you to just maybe give it a try. It's really not that difficult, and Jamie's getting really good at it, and it's just because she's doing it is really just the bottom line. The rest of this is quite easy. I started with Wise Owl Black, and I'm using a foam brush to apply it all over the bunny. Once that was dry, I grabbed my R16 Klingon. You could find that at chalkitupfancy.com. And I'm applying Antique Villa, not worrying about full coverage, as I want some of that black to peek through. Once that dried, I am now taking a foam brush with a little bit of black and using a dry brush application and hitting all the edges and kind of outlining the bunny in black. And then I'm just going to take my brush and go through the entire board, letting black grab here and there. I grabbed this little bucket for $5.99. It was 50% off. Actually, that one may have been 40% off. And these berries were $1.49. They too were on sale. These are all at Hobby Lobby. And I grabbed the bundles of the berries in different colors. I grabbed pastel colors. Guys, I did glue the bucket to my bunny. I don't know why my video did not show that. And I put these berries in there. I found these carrots at the dollar store. I believe this Dollar Tree. And I believe they came in 6. I took 4 of them and stuffed them in the front of the bucket. Grabbed some jute, made myself a little bow at the top of the bucket. And I also put some jute around his neck. I found these eggs also at the Dollar Tree. And I glued one down at the bottom of the bucket. They did not have any grass, so I decided to try this brown paper. It's over by the gift wrapping section. And I put them at the bottom of my board. We attached a little block at the back to help him stand. And here you go. Guys, if you enjoyed this, for any paint or brush needs, go to chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you so much.